Are you a solopreneur making videos but getting 1,000 subscribers feels like crossing the Atlantic with a fishing boat? I know how frustrating that can feel. I've been doing videos for 4 years and this channel has 770 subscribers at the time of filming this. I have 85 public videos and got 108,000 views so far. If you want to grow your channel faster than I did, keep watching because in this video I'm going to share with you my strategy to get over 1,000 subscribers with my next 10 videos. Ready? Okay, sit back and relax to hear how it works. The strategy has 3 parts. I call it the 3x3 strategy, where each part works as a leverage to increase the probability of getting more views. Let's cover the first one, Outlier. To give yourself a better chance to get views, get vidIQ and spy on your competition. With vidIQ, you can see, let's go to YouTube. So with vidIQ, you can see this multiplier showing how many more views a video is getting compared to the channel average. Scroll down. Here, for example, this video has a multiplier of 16, which means the video gets 16 times more views than other videos on that channel on average. So let's go look for one. Ideally, you'd want to find one with higher than 10 multiplier with more than 10,000 views. So one video I want to make is about YouTube thumbnails. Here's a great example with the Think Media channel. Great thumbnail. So much more fun to make videos with a cat. Oh, okay. Both the title and thumbnail are great. How to make a YouTube thumbnail in 5 minutes. For this video, what we really want to look for is this outlier score. So that's 25x outlier, getting 48 views per hour. Pretty good candidate. Let's scroll down. Okay, here's a perfect example. This is a 100x outlier and it has a cool idea. Many people want to have that extra spice in the videos, like the glow effect around your image. So on this video, I'm going to use this one. The next 2 steps act as validation filters. Let's see how they work. The second part of the 3x3 strategy is SEO. Specifically, how many searches the keyword or topic gets and how high the competition is. Now scrolling up, we can see that the main keyword YouTube thumbnail tutorial has pretty high volumes. The score is 70. Competition is medium, so the overall score is pretty good, 63. Highest view is 1.5 million views. So it's probably this one. That's pretty cool. And the funny thing is none of the top results have the exact keyword in the title. Interesting. Neither in the description. Maybe we have a good chance here. So now we see that it has a pretty high volume, but how much exactly? Let's go to vidIQ, go to keywords and type in our search term, YouTube thumbnail. My cat is laying on my keyboard, so it's a little difficult to type. Tutorial, hit enter. The search volume is about 50,000 per month, competition 48. Now we know the exact search volume and can see also some related keywords that we can use in the script and in the description or in the title or come up with new ideas for next videos. 49,000 is really good. What we can also do is go for related keywords and see if some other term has a higher search volume with a lower competition. How to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. 191,000 searches per month and the overall score is 64. That's a pretty good one. YouTube thumbnail has 140,000. How to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. Let's copy the search term, go to YouTube and see what kind of results we can get. So here we have the same results. Think Media number 1, this was the same guy. There's another Think Media tutorial. Okay, this one is pretty good. Make viral AI YouTube thumbnails with free AI tools. Has a great promise and the thumbnail looks pretty interesting. I'm gonna watch that. I want to see that. But overall, it's more of the same. Okay, we have what we need. I'm gonna go with this one. Finally, the third part of the 3x3 strategy is trend. Now we want to make sure that we have a trending topic that is still getting views and ideally is becoming even more popular. There are 2 easy ways to check them. First, let's open this video and we want to check this graph here on the right, which shows how many views the video is getting. If it's going down, it can indicate that the topic is getting less views. Here it's pretty obvious that it is indeed a trending topic. To grow this linear. Next, we can the keyword or topic to Google Trends and see how much search volume it's getting. Now let's change this to worldwide. Time to last 5 years. YouTube thumbnail. Okay, we changed the keyword a little bit because YouTube thumbnail tutorial for some reason doesn't bring much of anything. But if we just go for YouTube thumbnail, we can see that the general trend is going up, which means we're good to go. And if it's going down, don't waste your time, but find another outlier. An extra tip here is to check for similar or related breakout topics you might be able to include in your script. For example, YouTube thumbnail generator AI, AI thumbnail maker, YouTube shorts thumbnail, remove background, AI image generator. All these are breakout topics. Let's see how much traffic that one is getting. Going up. But if we plug that in vidIQ, okay, here's a good one. AI YouTube thumbnail generator, 15,000 searchers per month. Here's even better. AI thumbnail maker, 46,000. Low competition, good overall score. So by using vidIQ and Google Trends together, you can come up with new ideas that gives you a better probability that the videos are going to get more views. So now we have the outlier video and we have confirmed that the topic is getting views, competition is not too high, and it's trending. The next step is to create our own version of that video. That means create the thumbnail and title, write the script, shoot and edit. It's also great to have a dog when you try to make videos. Here's the process to do that. For the thumbnail, I'm using a new technique where I simply use the first frame as the thumbnail and as the intro to match the expectation of the viewers. If you want to see how I do it step by step, let me know in the comments and I'll make a tutorial. On that note, hit the like and subscribe if this video slaps. For the title, we want to use the same formula, not the exact same words, and make sure our keyword is in there. So this is the title from the Outlier video we are using as our inspiration. How to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos with glow effect. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. For one thing, it's too long. What we want to add there is definitely AI thumbnail maker is a good trending topic. And our main keyword is YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Okay, YouTube thumbnail tutorial, glow effect with AI. Okay, I'm happy with this. How about the script? How can you match the writing of the Outlier video? Here's a simple script template to help you get started. A. Start the video with a question addressing directly your target audience. B. Relate to the problem through your own personal experience and then share some social proof. What makes you someone they want to listen to? C. Then explain clearly what your viewer will get by watching your videos. The intro should be less than 30 seconds and then you get into the meat, so to say. Depending on the topic of your video, you can either share your screen or show how you do something, share some slides, or if you're talking about ideas and concepts, use analogies that your target audience can relate to and then make your point. And here's something really important about making videos, your energy. People want to see videos that make them feel good about themselves. So make sure you smile, have open body language, and use rich tonality to give people a reason to keep watching. Sometimes I need to reshoot my videos to get this right. Usually on the second time it's better. Okay. If you want to make this even easier, you can go to summarize.tech, paste in the YouTube URL, and get a summary of the script. Next, copy the expanded script, go to ChatGPT, and give it a prompt like the following. Review this YouTube script and rewrite it in my voice to match my personal brand and target audience. Keep the tone of voice casual and friendly. Start the script with a question, then a relatable perspective, demonstrate competence with social proof, and make a promise to the audience what they will get by watching the video. My personal brand is, short description here, and my target audience is, short description here. Paste the script here. If you want to use this prompt, you can copy it from the video description. Now you take what the AI wrote and you edit the script to sound like you. And then we can make the video. Shoot and edit your video. Hey, if you're still watching this, I assume that you know how to shoot and edit videos. So I don't need to explain that, right? We're going to skip that. Then you publish your video and see if it's taking off or not. This will be my strategy to get over 1,000 subscribers. You will know if this works or not by looking at my channel. If you see this 1 year from now, my channel should have more than 2,000 subscribers. Or if it doesn't, then it doesn't work. Let's hope for the best. And here's why I'm using this strategy. Recently, I talked about this in my YouTube for Solopreneurs mini course that is on Gumroad if you want to check it out. Where I noticed that my top 10 videos have 80% of all the views. My top 10 videos have 80% of the views. That means that on average, only 1 in 8 videos got a lot of views. And now I know why. I had no clear strategy. Now instead of wasting time and energy by doing 10 videos and hoping that one of them will do well, I want to have a higher chance of making videos that become 1 out of 10. To summarize the first part of the strategy, you need these 3 things: Outlier, SEO, and trend. Then write a script and make the video. However, this is only the first part of the 3x3 strategy. In my next video, I will explain the second part that allows entrepreneurs like you to turn views into money with an effective sales process. As you know, views are nice, but they alone don't grow your business. To understand how to get more leads from your videos, watch the next video to complete the 3x3 strategy.